What if your interview manager asks, "Give me an example of when you showed bias for action or ownership"? What would you say? In today's competitive market, where FANG-style interviews are stricter and engineering roles expect more than just clean code, bias for action and ownership are core at Amazon and many other teams. Together, we'll turn them into clear, confident interview answers you can deliver on cue.
This isn't about bragging that you worked late. It's about proving judgment under pressure, speed with safeguards.
We're tackling two leadership principles: bias for action, moving fast with judgment, and ownership, thinking long-term, beyond your lane. You'll learn what they mean, how interviewers test them, and a simple flow you can use in any interview.
When these are done well, you sound like someone who can unblock teams, not just write code.
Interviewers look for speed with safeguards, not recklessness, and for people who fix problems end-to-end, not "that's not my job." They listen for judgment, customer impact, and measurable results, plus how you decide when to go fast versus slow.
Top companies assume things will break. They just want to know if you'll panic, wait, or take initiative the right way.
We'll use basic with a step cadence to keep it smooth. Frame your story with a reversible versus irreversible decision. Show your guardrails, and end with outcomes and lessons. Think two-way door, quick test, one-way door, deeper review.
When you name the decision type, you instantly sound senior, even if you're early in your career.
Now, let's implement it. Pick a story where you balanced speed and ownership. Set stakes in 2 lines. Why it mattered, your role, and who was affected. Frame your decision. Was it a reversible, two-way, or irreversible, one-way choice? If reversible, explain how you moved fast with guardrails, feature flags, canary, rollback, timebox spike. If irreversible, explain how you slowed down. Design review, simulations, failure modes. This shows judgment, not just speed.
This single distinction shows maturity faster than any metric.
Walk through execution. What smallest viable step you shipped, how you rallied partners, and how you kept customers safe. Use numbers for impact. Latency, error rate, revenue saved, time to restore. Close with a learning loop. What process/tool you added so the team can go faster next time without hurting quality. Tie it back to customers and company outcomes. Here's a sample way you can answer the question about ownership and ambiguity. We faced a 3-week cutoff on a payments API. I called it a two-way door and moved fast with guardrails, built a flagged adapter, canaried to 5%, and monitored error budgets. A retry bug surfaced. We patched in hours and rolled to 100%. Refund failures dropped 92% and we hit deadline. I then created a template and checklist so future swaps take days, not weeks.
Fast, safe, repeatable. That's bias for action plus ownership in one shot.
Think of this as the recap lens on your story. Boil it down into a formula. Stakes, decision type, guardrails plus action, measurable result, durable improvement. Record it, keep it to 90 to 120 seconds, and trim until every line earns its place.
If your answer sounds like someone I'd trust at 2 a.m. during an incident, you pass.
This makes your judgment clear, your impact measurable, and your growth repeatable. If this clarified bias for action and ownership, let's keep building. Like, subscribe, and drop one line from your story below. We'll turn top comments into full basic walkthroughs you can practice.